Assalamu alaikum students. In the previous video we have discussed the gaseous exchange in plant during the photosynthesis and the respiration through the small organelle called the stomata, which are found in the lower epidermis of the leaf. So in this video we will practically prove the effect of light on the gaseous exchange by using the leaf and indicator hydrogen bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate. So what is it? This indicator, as we know that CO2 is acidic in nature at atmospheric level. So at atmospheric level indicator's color is red, and when CO2 level decreases it gets purple. As CO2 level increases it gets orange to yellow. So let's start the experiment. We have required the apparatus to perform it: 4 test tube, stand, aluminium foil or black paper, tissue paper, fresh green leaves, 4 corks, wax, thread, markers for marking the test tube. So what are the steps? We will mark the test tube 1, 2, 3, 4 or ABCD. Then we will pour 1/4 of indicator in each test tube, and we will tie the leaves with thread and hang into test tubes, and then we will plug the cork in each test tube, and then we will seal it by using the melted wax, and then we will wrap the test tube number 2 with aluminium foil, test tube 3 with the tissue paper, and rest of 1 and 4 will without any wrapping. We will expose them in front of the light, and then we will make the observation. So as we know that the indicator color changes as the percentage of CO2 changes, so we will know what happened. So practically performance, we have poured indicator hydrogen bicarbonate in each test tube, then we will tie the thread with green leaves, then we will hang into the test tubes, and then put cord, and then we will wax it, then we wrap the aluminium foil around one test tube to avoid the effect of light on test tube, and test tube number 3 we will use the tissue paper, and then after performing this we will put them under the light or sunlight, and after 1 hour we will observe them. After 1 hour we observed that the test tube which were directly exposed to the under the sunlight, they have purple color because the plant sleeve has used the CO2 for photosynthesis, and the wrapped test tube and the tissue paper wrapped test tube have the red color, showing the more CO2 is there because there was no photosynthesis. The plant sleeve haven't used the CO2 gas. It means in wrapped aluminium foil and the tissue paper foil test tube, the plant were respiring. So let's observe them what happened when it was exposed. So first we will observe light. Yes, light was on in 4 test tube. For 4 test tubes, then leaf present. Yes, leaf were present. Foil test tube just 2, and 3 was wrapped with tissue paper. And indicator color, after 1 hour we will observe that the test tube which were directly exposed to the light, they have the purple color, show less CO2, which shows that plant sleeve have used the CO2 gas for the photosynthesis. And after removing the foil from the test tube and the tissue paper from the test tube, we have observed orange and the yellow color. So it shows that the maximum concentration of CO2 in a test tube which was wrapped with the aluminium foil because the plant haven't photosynthesized. So Let's compile further. So we will make the decision that CO2 was present in wrap test tube. It means plants are not photosynthesizing, they are respiring. And the purple color, it means plant has photosynthesized, not the respired. So let's conclude our lesson that bicarbonate indicator colors red in the absence of CO2 and yellow in the presence of CO2 gas. So these are the indicators which we use to confirm either the plant is photosynthesizing or the plant is respiring. Leaves, leaves are the places where the gaseous exchange is taking place. So we have to compile our lecture that the effect of light on the net gaseous exchange from the leaf using bicarbonate. Thanks for watching.